Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get a free Amazon gift card. So as you can see, 150 is my balance. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically guys, all you got to do is just go to this site. It's called zestcoupons.com. They have lots of like discount codes and stuff. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in Amazon, and you will see Amazon. We're going for the one called Amazon promo code. So you get a $750 code potentially more, potentially less. So I have 150 right now. So anyway, we can read all about it, and I'm just gonna press show coupon code, and we're just gonna wait for it to load. All right. So basically, once it loads, it will say coupons valid, and you just want to press get full code right there, and it's gonna bring you to this page here, and it asks you like, what do you like about shopping at Amazon, and then it asks your email. So just enter that, and then you'll get your code. So by the way, after you enter your email, you might see a page like this where it asks you to fill out some basics. So just do that. And then after that, you might see the deals thing pop up where it asks you to do a deal. Fall, complete one deal. So this Monopoly Go, level 12, $0. So you could do that one. So anyway, yeah, fill out all your info like this page right here, and you're gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, you're gonna see a page like this where it asks you for your information. So just enter that in, and then you'll get your Amazon code, guys. This actually works. As you can see, I got 150, so it's pretty cool. So anyway, just enter your email address in this page, and they will send you the code to your email. So yeah, then you get free Amazon gift cards. So it's pretty wild. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. You can get an Amazon gift card, bro. That is insane. I don't know what amount it's gonna be, but for me, I had this like 151. But obviously, it can go way higher than that. So peace out.